Can I get a 100 percentile? Can I get a 99.5 percentile, a 99 percentile, a 98 percentile? Can I get a call into a related question is, how is my profile? This is my 10th score, this is my 12th score, this is my graduation score, etc. Blah, 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 blah. Right? So let me answer that question very easily. Right? If you are starting from scratch today, which means you have never attempted CAT earlier, right? I have just 3 conditions. If you have never attempted CAT earlier, if you're not from a engineering background or a student who scored very well in maths in 10th but chose not to do an engineering, right? You went into commerce, etc. And third is if you don't have a regular reading habit, right? You're picking up English for the very first time in your life. You will not get a 100 percentile. You will most likely not get a 99.5 percentile also. Right? Now, I don't want to break your heart, but I also want to tell you a reality check. I want to give you a reality check of what you can achieve over this point of time. Right? Now, please don't set 100 percentile as a target. 100 percentile is a very, very bad target to set for the CAT examination. Right? Couple of reasons why. First of all, if you look at, let's take IIM Ahmedabad for instance, right? I'm talking about general category, a person from an engineering background with 1 or 2 years of work experience, right? That's your general engineering male sort of a person, right? With reasonable academics, right? You need to score about a 99.7 or 99.75 to get a call from IIM Ahmedabad, and then you can convert an IIM Ahmedabad pretty easily. How much is the 99.7, 99.75 score? Roughly about 60%, around 180 marks. Raw is your 99.75 percentile score, right? 100 percentile score fluctuates, right? 100 percentile you can get a 100 percentile in tough cats with a 220, 215, or even with a 230, 240, you might not get a 100 percentile. Rough, but this 180, 175 range does not fluctuate as much as the 100 percentile score, right? Which also means that you can score about 20 to 25% lesser than the topper in the exam and still get into the college which he is going to join. Right? So the first thing that you should do is leave this obsession about 100 percentile. Right? I can give you an example of this year. This year, the 100 percentiler did not get into an IIM Ahmedabad. One of the 100 percentilers did not get into IIM Ahmedabad, whereas a 99.75 percentiler got into it. So a 100 percentile does not guarantee you the topmost college. However, 100 percentile is a really good target to have, but don't obsess about 100 percentile. You need to look at where you are today, and from that, you need to go and exceed as much as you can based on the efforts that you put. What is a realistic improvement that you can get? Now, obviously, we have discussed this earlier as well. I have done a very simple analysis of how much time, especially for the math section. You can look at our YouTube channel. I've put up a video called "The Shape of CAT 2020," where I have as well as the quant explainer, the first one, what to study for quant. There I've clearly mentioned how much is the difference between a 90 percentiler, a 95 percentiler, a 99 percentiler, and a 99.5 and a 100 percentiler. So realistically speaking, you can improve your sectional scores, marks in a section, by about 10 to 12 marks every month. So you have roughly about 3.5, 4 months, assuming that your improvement will take longer and longer and longer. You can assume a 30 to 40 mark increase in a particular section. Now, English is tougher. LRDI is also tougher, but maths is the easiest. So 30, 35 marks in maths LRDI, I would say about 25 to 30. English will be about 20 to 25. Overall, anywhere between 70 to 100 marks is what, it's a pretty wide range. Obviously, different people have different abilities to start with. You can improve this much. Remember, as you go higher and higher and higher, the amount that you need to score to improve becomes more and more and more and more. You can look at the video on our YouTube channel. I will again put the link in the description.